Hey guys, great to see you in my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today we will talk about Editpad AI. We will talk what this AI is, how it can be helpful for you, and how to create an account on this service. So let's get started. First of all, go to their official website, www.editpad.org. This is how the URL looks like, and you can just type it in the search box and you'll open this website. Okay, the interface is pretty simple, and what this AI is. To be honest, there are a lot of cool tools, for example, story generator, text summarizer, AI essay writer, and so on. But today we will talk only about essay writer and story generator. So just select the necessary tool at the very top. So why should you use this service rather than ChatGPT or Gemini or other AI? It's simple. It writes essay according to the necessary criteria. ChatGPT is more good for regular stories. But by the way, you can also try to generate a story on this website. Here you can select the necessary criteria, add reference, click on the current option, and here you can select the necessary one. For example, MLA or APA, and so on. Also, you can add essay type, basic, narrative, critical. You can create a medium essay, a short one, or long and extensive, but you can use to these options only for pro plan. And also select the necessary academic level at the top right, default, high school, and so on. Well, how to generate an essay on this website? All you need to do is just copy a topic for your essay and paste it right in this field. By the way, I also advise you to create an account. You can do it by clicking on login at the top right. On this page, click on the create account button, just below sign in button. Select the necessary plan, for example, free. As you can see, there are two plans, free and premium, and there is the comparison. You can read more about it, but now let's just continue as free user. Click on it, and now you can enter these free fields or just click on the continue with Google button. Select your Google account, and that's all. Now go back to AI essay writer tool and type your topic right here. Let's take this topic, select the high school academic level, click on medium for essay length, and also you can add reference. For example, let's click on MLA and just select the basic type of essay, and then click on write my essay. And the essay is completed. This is how it looks like. So you can read this essay, and at the very top you also can see more information about the text. More than 800 words, about 6,000 characters, and 74 sentences. And also you can generate another version of this essay. Just click on essay 2. At the top right you can reset it, download it, and copy it. By the way, you can download it only in TXT format. To be honest, it's very cool website, and I advise you to try it for free. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.